A is for Allah, nothing but Allah. Ba is the beginning of Bismillah. Ta is for taqwa, bewaring of Allah. And Tha is for thawab, a reward.
Muhammad is mentioned by name in the original scriptures. The Old Testament, according to Christian authorities, was preserved in the Hebrew language, and the New Testament in Greek scriptures, Greek language. In the Old Testament, in the Song of Solomon, chapter 5, verse 16, in the Hebrew language, it reads, I'm sure Brother Swaggart would appreciate it, because I thought I heard him say that he knows Hebrew and he knows Greek. In the Hebrew language, it says, Hikko mamittakim vi kullo Muhammadim zahdudi vi zahra'i bayna Jerusalem. Song of Solomon, chapter 5, verse 16. The word Muhammadim is Muhammad, im, I am im. Im is a plural of respect in Hebrew. You can't associate with the word Muhammad. You read it 1,000 times, altogether lovely, altogether lovely. Or let's say in another language, the praised one, the praised one. Muhammad means the praised one. But he said the praised one, the praised one. You can't think that he's talking about Muhammad, though Muhammad means the praised one. You have no right to translate names of people.
The morning light, the sun has turned from red to white. Tha is for tariq, a path to walk upon. And Tha is for dhil, a shadow. And
the verse mentioned so far by Sheikh Deedat is the verse number 16 from chapter 5 of Songs of Solomon. The verse mentions the word Mohammedaim. According to current translations of the Bible, the word Mohammedaim is translated as lovely. But before the introduction of vowels, the word Mohammedaim that we're talking about was referring to the name of someone. According to Jews, the chapter is talking about Solomon, whereas Christians say it is talking about Jesus. However, the chapter is talking about someone who was not yet born at that time. Here is the verse. The link of the website from which the verse was taken is provided in the description. Now, let us copy the highlighted Hebrew word and paste it into the famous World Lingo Dictionary, or the SDL Dictionary. The links are provided in the description. After pasting the word, click on Translate and wait for the result. And now, see it yourself. It is translated into Muhammad.
Hikko mabtakim kullo Muhammad.
Allah, there's only one God and Muhammad is his messenger. Allah, la ilaha illallah. Allah, there's only one God and Jesus was his messenger. Allah, la ilaha illallah. Allah, there's only one God and Moses was his messenger. Allah, la ilaha illallah. Allah, there's only one God and Abraham was his messenger. Allah, la ilaha illallah. Allah, there's only one God and Noah was his messenger. Allah, la ilaha illallah. Allah, there's only one God and he created Adam, and we are the children of Adam. Allah, la ilaha illallah.